What if I told you that a $100 investment in Bitcoin back in 2010 could have made you a millionaire today? Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, crypto trading has changed countless lives worldwide, and it's not too late for you to jump in. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about crypto trading, from the basics to smart strategies, to help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. So, let's dive in. What is crypto trading? Crypto trading is the act of buying and selling cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, or Ripple, XRP, to make a profit. Unlike traditional stocks, cryptocurrencies trade 24/7, meaning the market never sleeps. Traders make money by buying low and selling high, or by using advanced strategies like short selling. Crypto trading isn't just a trend. It's an opportunity to gain financial freedom in a rapidly evolving digital economy. How does crypto trading work? Exchanges. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken allow users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Trading pairs. Crypto trading often involves pairs, like BTC USDT or ETH BTC. Wallets. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, either hot wallets, online, or cold wallets, offline. Market orders versus limit orders. A market order buys or sells instantly at the current price, while a limit order sets a specific price for buying or selling. Understanding these basics is your first step towards becoming a confident trader. Key strategies for crypto trading: day trading. Buying and selling within the same day to capitalize on short-term price movements. Swing trading. Holding assets for several days or weeks to benefit from price swings. Scalping. Making small, frequent profits through quick trades. Hodling. A long-term strategy where you hold on to crypto despite market volatility. No single strategy works for everyone. It's about finding what fits your personality and risk appetite. Tools. Every crypto trader needs trading platforms. Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken. Chart analysis. Tools. TradingView, CoinMarketCap.news. Sources. CoinDesk, CryptoSlate. Risk management tools. Stop loss orders. Take profit orders. Having the right tools can make or break your trading journey. Stay informed. Stay equipped. Common mistakes to avoid: emotional trading. Making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Lack of research. Investing in unknown coins without proper background checks. Ignoring risk management. Trading without stop-loss orders. Overtrading. Too many trades can lead to unnecessary fees and losses. The golden rule: trade with a plan, not with emotions. Tips for success in crypto trading. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay informed. Follow news updates and market trends. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one coin. Be patient. Success in trading takes time and practice. Crypto trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill you develop over time. Is crypto trading right for you? Crypto trading requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. It's not for everyone, but those who master it can achieve significant financial success. Ask yourself, are you ready to commit, learn, and grow in this fast-paced world of digital finance? All right, we've covered the essentials of crypto trading: what it is, how it works, key strategies, and how to avoid common pitfalls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone curious about crypto trading. And tell me in the comments below, are you already trading or are you just getting started? Let's continue the conversation.